What is it like to live in San Diego? It starts with the vibe in the very first seconds. Blue skies almost all year round, cinematic beaches, and a lifestyle that blends calm with urban energy. In this 8K video, you'll see every detail of one of the most desired cities in the United States, from the scenery to the real day-to-day life of those who live here. So get ready, because what you're about to see goes far beyond postcard views. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because that helps the content reach more people. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and every single subscription makes a huge difference for this project to grow. If you dream of living abroad, traveling, or simply exploring the world without leaving home, this video is for you. Living in San Diego means making quality of life a priority. The climate is one of the most pleasant in the country, with mild temperatures almost all year long, which allows outdoor activities every day. Walking along the coast, surfing, cycling, or simply watching the sunset is part of many people's routine, creating a rare balance between work and leisure. The cost of living is high, especially rent and housing, but in return, salaries tend to be higher, particularly in technology, healthcare, tourism, and military-related fields. The city is well organized, clean, and safe in many areas, which weighs heavily in the decision of those who choose to live here long-term. Cultural diversity also stands out. San Diego has a strong Mexican influence, a rich culinary scene, and communities from all over the world. This is reflected in everyday life, events, food, and even in the welcoming attitude of the people, making adaptation easier for foreigners. Living in San Diego means choosing a lighter lifestyle, connected to nature, without giving up structure, opportunities, and comfort. Another important point about living in San Diego is the sense of community and balance it offers. Even being a large city, many neighborhoods feel almost like small towns, where people know their local cafes, parks, and beaches by heart. The city encourages a healthy routine, with farmers markets, open-air events, and a strong culture of well-being that goes far beyond aesthetics. It's about enjoying time, space, and everyday moments. At the same time, San Diego is full of opportunities. Its proximity to Mexico, the constant flow of tourists, and the presence of universities and research centers create a dynamic environment for business, education, and innovation. Whether you're looking for professional growth, a new lifestyle, or simply a place that feels good to wake up every day, San Diego offers a rare mix of tranquility and possibility. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope this video helped you see San Diego beyond the postcards and imagine what life here is really like. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and be part of this journey. See you in the next video.